Arthur here for Complete Probe Solutions. I'm here to talk about singulated die alignment and why this new Apex feature is important to the silicon photonics test industry. Photonics chips are increasingly used in device manufacturing, and it seems that 200mm wafer size is preferred when it comes to overall cost. CPS singulated die alignment is available on our 200mm wafer prober and allows you the flexibility to test die post-saw. The Apex platform allows for efficiently testing die after singulation, ensuring chip producers ship known good die. Testing these die post-saw becomes challenging because the die can be significantly misaligned. Whether on film frame, reconstituted wafer, or die carrier, Apex singulated die alignment puts probes on pads accurately. Here is a video of singulated die alignment in action. The operator picks a target on the die that is unique in the field of view. If die size is known, great. If not, the system can automatically figure it out with an additional step. The system now proceeds with alignment and automatically compensates for die shift, rotation, or stretch. Notice the changing of the theta number during the alignment process. The single die alignment feature places each die under a camera, determines its offset from the ideal location, and, if needed, also rotates the wafer to ensure accurate alignment to the probe card. Until now, these types of wafers would often have to be probed on a manual probe station and require intensive manual intervention. The new Apex feature makes it possible to do this on an automatic high-volume manufacturing prober. Like to learn more? Feel free to contact us via our website at completeprobe.com. or give us a call at 408-755-5567. Thanks, guys. I appreciate your time.